Okay, this is Becky here, Aunt Beck's Creations, and I am going to show my 6x6 album page that I made for Evie at Tuquesa, and I used the Authentique Uncommon collection. This is the collection that Linda was looking for, and I found it online for her, and they had like 3 left, so I bought one for myself. So I used it on Evie's challenge, and now I'll show you the page. And I chose the Romantique, and I got this image off from the internet, and I layered the papers up. I've stayed away, and I've made a tiny little pencil X there that's 1 by 1, 1 inch in from the top in there. And Evie, you can erase that if you don't want to put it right there. I just did that so that you would know where it was from the actual edge of the piece of card. Oh, my brain doesn't work. Cardboard stuff. I can't remember what it's called. Chipboard. There we go. And that's why I did that, because I added lace all the way around. And I'm hoping you can still get your whole crocodile or whatever you use to do the holes in there. And this is some seam binding. And I'm not sure where I got it. I don't know if one of y'all sent it to me or if I got it at the antique mall the other day. Should have wrote on it. I've tied a bow, and then this is just some lace that I gathered up into a rosette. And then this is just one of the paper roses from Craft Supplies 1 on Zibbet. This is some more of the beaded trim from the scarf that I found at the Goodwill clearance. I've almost used it up. Might have to go see if I can find some more. Then on the bottom I tied another bow with some of the seam binding and put another one of the roses. And then on the very bottom is layered. There's 2 rows of flatback pearls. There's a layer of lace. Then under the lace there's some of the beaded trim. And then there's more lace. And then, let me push you over here for just a sec. On the back, I'm going to cover up my info here. I added lace around and covered the back of the page with a piece of the paper from the collection. And I roughed up the edges with my Tim Holtz distressor. And I answered Evie's questions right there. And I punched some hearts down the sides. And that is what I've made for your album. And I really hope this will work for you. If not, Evie, just let me know and I can make you another page. It's no problem. It was fun to do. I got a little carried away with the lace, but hopefully you can get it to I didn't put any added. There's like 2 rows of lace up here and one shorter than the other. So I'm hoping they'll crunch down enough to where you can get in there and punch that hole that you need. So anyway, that's my entry, Evie. I hope you like it, and I hope everybody else enjoyed seeing it. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.